International Anti-Corruption Day was introduced on October 9, 2003 by the General Assembly of the UNO. Corruption is the use of unethical methods to get some advantage over others. It has become one of the biggest factors obstructing the progress of the individual and the country.
It is the misuse of public resources just to gain some unfair advantage. It affects the development of the country socially, politically, and economically. We must eradicate corruption from the society to experience real freedom.
We all need to be loyal to our responsibilities and strive to bring our nation forward. As students, it's up to us to build a strong foundation for the future of our nation with a sublime sense of commitment, honesty, and dedication.
United Against Corruption is the theme highlighted while observing the International Anti-Corruption Day 2020. It focuses on corruption as one of the biggest obstacles in attaining sustainable development goals. On International Youth Day, the youth around the globe vowed to help shape a fairer and more just world. Many young people are fighting against corruption and making a big difference. And in today's assembly, we the students of Class 10D urge you to fight against corruption.
Anti-corruption institutions of the central government are Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), Anti-Corruption Police and Courts, Central Vigilance Commission, and Directorate General of Income Tax Investigation.
A few of the anti-corruption acts by the central government are Indian Penal Code 1860, the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, Prosecution of Income Tax Act 1988, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, and the Right to Information Act 2005.
Anti-corruption is comprised of activities that oppose or inhibit corruption. For those who are interested in tackling corruption but don't know where to start, let's begin by taking you through a simple anti-corruption toolkit. Let anti-corruption not just remain a word. Let us win over the corruption. Let us break our silence. All you can do is
follow the money. Governments have vast sums of public money to spend, and this can pose a serious corruption risk. By keeping tabs on government expenditure, you can help shed light on how your country's taxes are being spent and expose any abuses.
Most people have an opinion of their government or the services it provides. But how often do they take the time out to write down their views? You can help by collecting citizen report cards that help provide a feedback on the public services by the people who use them.
An individual card might not seem meaningful in itself, but a collection of hundreds or thousands of completed cards can generate new perspectives on government performance, which can then be shared with media and used by the public to bring about change.
Comics are a powerful way of raising awareness about anti-corruption. Through a combination of images and text, comics can also help spark a debate, and they are easy to produce. All you need is a pen and paper. So what are you waiting for?
Use theatre and drama. Are you good at music, drama, poetry, or dance? With these talents of yours, you can use your creativity by taking your anti-corruption drive on stage. Music, drama, poetry, or dance can be used to show citizens how to combat negative societal forces like corruption, as well as give ideas about how to improve your community.
Let's say no to corruption. It's unfair, unscrupulous, unethical, and illegal. We can make our nation better. Be proud of this precious gift. Grow in togetherness, glow with goodness. Comrades, come together. Let's protect our home. Move with courage against corruption. Nature is abundant, blessed by God. Cherish it, nurture it, conserve it. In the glow of brotherhood and benevolence, let's grow to perfection.
Pay zero bribes.
We Indians should take pride as this concept originated in India, where it was known as the Zero Rupee movement and has proved to be a formidable tactic in fighting corruption. The zero currency note is a visual aid that encourages people to say no to corrupt officials who demand a bribe and to expose where and when bribes are demanded.
Here's how it works. When asked for the bribe, you pay with a bill that resembles real currency, but is fake paper money that includes anti-corruption messages.
We have all learned that in unity there is strength. So all we can do is write a petition, or if you can't, at least sign it.
A petition is the collection of signatures from people supporting your cause and has untold powers. That petition can be presented to decision makers like government or education officials that have the power to create the change you want. Let's be the change that you wish to see in the world, a corruption-free world.
Father in heaven, you always provide for your creatures so that all may live as you have willed. You have blessed us with rich human and natural resources so that they may be used in honor and glory of you. We are deeply sorry for having manipulated and exploited these, your gifts and blessings, through acts of corruption, as a result of which many people are hungry, sick, ignorant, and defenseless.
Father, you alone can heal us and turn us away from this corruption. We ask you to touch our lives, the lives of our leaders and the people, so that we may all realize the evil of bribery and corruption and work hard to eliminate it. For this we pray to you, O Lord.
Calling our beloved nation, calling on to honesty, calling our beloved country to respect integrity. Save our nation, save our nation, oh God, save us, we pray. Save our nation, save our nation, oh God, save us, we pray. Let us fight against corruption. Let us fight to the nail. Let us fight against the evil. Stick together, never fail. Rise up, mothers. Rise up, fathers. Rise up, children, today. Speak up, mothers. Speak